Hello, friends. This is Emily Francis. I hope you're doing well today. I am making this video to show you how is it that you are going to complete this week's assignment. And it's all about a virtual learning portrait, a picture. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I posted a link of the app WriteReader. That's a website. You will go to WriteReader, WriteReader.com. You go to that website and you have it right here, WriteReader. You are going to log in. And of course, you will be logging in as a student with your Google Classroom. So when you make sure that is right here, clicked on student, you are going to click on Google Classroom. I can't do that as a student because I'm as an educator. So I'm going to switch this as a teacher. And the same thing, you're going to go in with your Google Classroom, and when you open it, of course, it's going to ask me if I want to use my work login. Yes. And if you get this notification about approving or accessing it, go all the way down to the blue button and say allow, or click allow. And then you're going to come out with our class platform that has all of the books that we have created in class. Oh, see right here? No world history, no Mr. D block. You need to go to Mrs. Francis. That's me. You go to Mrs. Francis's class, and that's where you'll see all of our books. I have it set up so you can see everybody's books if you want to read them. I have shared with you this book right here. It's called Virtual Learning Portrait. Portrait is another word for picture. So if you notice, that is the title, and it is by Mrs. Francis' class. That means that you are going to add to this book. So I'm going to show you how I did my own. So this is the cover. And this is mine. I put my picture here with some things that I am using at home to help me with learning. And I made a list of all of the things that I use at home to help me. So you don't have to be in the picture if you don't want to. You can put all of these items, all of these objects on a table and take a picture, or put them on the floor and take a picture. If you don't want to be in the picture, it's okay. You're going to post your picture up here. So you're going to click on edit. See what I'm clicking? Edit book. You should be able to click on that. And I have, look, 9 empty pages. That means that you can choose any page that you want to add your picture. And it has a question that you have to complete. This is Mrs. Francis objects. I am using these objects of all of these things at home to help me with virtual, that's online, learning. I have action magazines, I have post-it notes, markers, highlighters, notebooks, pencils. So what I'm telling you is to write down all of the things that you have in that picture. Again, if you don't want to be in the picture, it's okay. Just the items. And then I would like for you to record it. So once you put your picture, once you type in the items, I would like for you to click the record. And record, we're going to practice pronunciation, and you are going to record all of the items. You can say the entire sentence. Watch me. Click record. It's asking me if I want to allow, say yes, and press the red button to record. It is recording. Mrs. Francis's objects. I am using these objects at home to help me with virtual learning. Action magazines, post-it notes, markers, highlighters, notebooks, pencils, dry erase board, books, snacks, saddleback books, paint, phone, headphones, and computer. Save. Now that I saved it, I can listen to it. So let's go ahead and play. There you go. See how now instead of the recording, I have the play button, or I have to erase it. Don't click the X because it will erase. Now let's listen. It is recording. Mrs. Francis's objects. I am using these objects at home to help me with virtual learning. Okay, so if I like it, I'll keep it. If not, I exit and record it again. I would like for you to record all of your items, and you can choose any of these pages to add your picture. I cannot wait to see our class book on virtual learning portrait. You can do this over the weekend and you'll have all next week to work on it. Bye.